Let's solve this WAEC question together. This is the question 7 of the 2025 WAEC question. It says in a class of 42 students, the universal set has 42 students. 21 offer history and 28 offer government. If each student offers at least one subject, find the probability that a student selected at random offers government only. Now let's draw our Venn diagram. Let's say this is history. So it says 21 students offer history. We have 21 students, and then we have government. 28 students offer government. Government is equal to 28, and this is our universal set. So we have this like this. Now we are to find the probability that a student selected at random offers only government. So for us to know this, we must first know the students that offer both history and government. Let's call this place X. So if 21 students offer history at large and X students offer both in history and government, that means 21 minus X students offer only history and 28 minus X students offer only government. X students offer history and government. 21, which is the total of students that offer history, offer 21 minus X offer only history and 28 minus X offer only government. And the question is that we should find the probability that a student selected at random offer only government. So we need to first find the probability of students that offer only government. So to find X, we will add all this. Don't forget that when we add all this together, it must give us 42 because that is the total number of students. So we have 21 minus X, then plus X, then plus 28 minus X must give 42. So here negative X plus X will become 0. So we have 21 plus 28. This will give 49 minus X equals 42. Now let's collect the like terms. If X comes here, it becomes positive. So that means we have X to be equal to, then 42 comes here, we have 49 minus 42. That means X will be equal to 7. So the number of students that offer both history and government is 7. Now, if 7 students offer both history and government, and we are to find students that offer only government is 28 minus X. So that means students that offer only government will be 28 minus 7, and that is 21. So 21 students offer only government. That is not the end, because the question asks us to find the probability that a student selected at random offers only government, and probability is the number of favourable outcome over the total. So now this is the favourable outcome for only government. So that means the probability of students that offer only government will be 21 over the total number of students, which is 42. Now let's simplify this. 7 will go in 21 three times, and 7 will go in 21 will go in 24. So 21 will go in 24 two times. So that means the probability will be 1 over 2, and that is it.